Hi, my name is Christy. Thanks for watching this video on how my virtual classroom works. So I have my master's in math education. Most of my students that I work with are math students. And I also have my bachelor's in elementary education and in special education. I've worked as a special education teacher, a regular general education teacher, and as a math specialist. Right now I am homeschooling my own children and I tutor online. So I wanted to show you how the classroom works. So if you're interested in setting up a session, you'll know what to expect. When you click a link, so let me show you what that will look like. When it's time for us to meet, if we're doing a live session, I would send you a link and it would bring you to this room. When it's time to meet, you hit launch class and it would bring you to the classroom. In this classroom, you can see we have tools over here. We're able to use these tools. We can draw on the whiteboard. And both the student and I are able to do that. We are able to talk with each other. So if your computer has microphone and speaker capability, we can use it right through the classroom, or we can just give each other a call on the phone. So if I'm working with a student, for example, for math, they may send me their homework ahead of time and I will upload it to the classroom. So here's an example of a student that sends me his homework. He takes a screenshot of his homework and sends it to me. I put it in a document and bring it up on the board, and then we can just work through the material together. If there's any concepts that he's having trouble with, we'll stop working on the homework and do lessons as needed. And based on how we do, we might schedule a follow-up session just based on filling in any skills that he needs help with. Here's another example of a student that sends me screenshots from his e-textbook. This is just an example of something I've created to help my students that are having trouble with factoring. So based on what my student is doing, I will try to create little guides and tools to help them understand the material. This student takes pictures of their homework and sends me the pictures of their homework. This is just an example of I'll pull up material that we need to use so that we can work on things together. So most of my students are math students. I also do work with reading comprehension with students. I pull up material, books that go with their reading level, and we work on reading comprehension strategies so that they're able to work on decoding and understanding what they read. So this is pretty much how a live session would work. I send the link, the student signs in, we work together with the material on the board. I also offer pre-recorded lessons where I will do the lesson ahead of time so that the student can work on it on their own time. They can use pause and play to work through the lesson, and then they can follow up with me if they need help afterwards, either another pre-recorded session or live sessions or just questions follow up. So if I can help you with anything, please get in touch. My email is themathhelpsite@gmail.com, and you can also find me on my webpage, the Math Help Site, or on Facebook, Virtual Tutor. Thanks for your time, and get in touch if you need anything. Thanks for watching.